Welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is South Stations. Let me give you the overall dimensions of the units. And the units overall lengths, they are about like a 14 and 1/4 inches deep. Of the units long, about like a 28 inches. Also, the overall height is about like 18 and 3/4 inches tall. So basically, this unit, the basis is smaller than this shape. So I just give the overall dimensions. And also they come in with about like 8 containers inner side. And for each of the containers is about like a 1/6. So let me give the dimensions of it. And also the manufacturer give you the small lids they come in with it. Each of the small containers, it is about like a 6 and 3/4 inches long and 6 and 1/4 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 4 inches deep. And we also can take a look closer to see the inner side space. So for the inner side, we can see they do have a basis mounted at the bottoms. And we can remove all these small containers. They do have the hinge on top of the units. And you can remove it too for you to easily clean the inner side. And also you can put some ice at the bottoms to keep the temperatures. For this inner side, it is almost about like a 12 inches wide and about like 26 and 3/4 inches long. And total depth, it is about like 6 and 1/4 inches deep. And that's probably all the information about the units. And the last call about the units is about like they're made by stainless steels, and they do having the glass covers on top of it for you to easily clean. So that's what will be all demonstration information detail about products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.